My name is Jazz George. I am training to be a production coordinator at the BBC Audio in Central Square, Cardiff. So I'm 20 years old. I left sixth form when I was 18 and I trained to be a hairdresser, which was my first apprenticeship, which I really enjoyed, but it just wasn't for me. And then I stumbled across the opportunity at the BBC on their website and I applied not thinking I'd get it, and I did. And I've started that now. I'm from Barry, so not far from Cardiff. Well, in sixth form I studied film studies, and it was something that I always had a passion for. I've always grown up loved watching films and TV and always had a passion for it. And then I was going to go down the uni route, but it wasn't for me. I didn't want to go to uni, and I didn't really know about these apprenticeships at the time when I was 18. I didn't know that there were these opportunities to get into the film and TV industry through an apprenticeship until now, so that's why I'm now coming into it. In the last few weeks I've been shadowing the production coordinators in BBC Audio, so I've been in the topical team, the science team and the drama team, which has been great because I've been learning all about the different departments within that department and what they will do and their different roles. I've sat in on a drama recording for Radio 4 and watched that, which was really cool, and got to spend time with the director and the producer and the sound engineer, which was really cool. I also went to Salford for a week and did my BBC Academy training up there, which was where we learned a lot more about the role and where it can take you, and both in audio and TV. And we also got the opportunity to meet people who have worked in the BBC for like 20-30 years plus, which was really cool because we got to hear about their experiences and how they've moved within several job roles within the BBC, which was really interesting to hear because it just shows that there's so many doors to open in the BBC, and yeah, that was really cool. But yeah, so I've just kind of been shadowing people, been given different tasks every day, and it's been a really great way to meet all my new team that I'm going to be working with for the next 18 months. I'm really excited to be coming to Skill Cymru for the week. I think it gives us a nice little break away from the office, and also because I'm here with the other production coordinators in Central Square, we come here all together, so that's quite nice to all speak about what we're doing because we're all in different departments, and especially getting to see one of the girls who's in Roeflock and one of them is in Bangor. That is a cool way of getting to meet each other, and also the other people here are from Roeflock, so that's another way because we don't see them in Central Square, so that's really nice to get the opportunity to meet up with them and to hear about them, speak about their jobs. I think it's a nice opportunity to have a bit more structure to our learning and to also catch up on things, because in the offices in the BBC it is very busy and sometimes you don't always have the opportunity to ask those questions or to have that extra support or have even just that extra time to catch up on work that you haven't been able to get done during the week. So I think it's a really nice opportunity to have a little bit more structure and to sit down and get on with the work that you need to be doing and any little bits, and have that support from Skill. Once I finish the apprenticeship, I would like to stay within the BBC. I would like to become a production coordinator, preferably in the radio audio department. And I would quite like the opportunity to travel, possibly for projects. I think that would be a really cool opportunity. And also just to move around within the BBC and to see if there's any other departments that I would like to work within. I think TV would be an interesting one with the drama programmes and everything like that, so I think that would also be cool to experience as well.